I'm Channel 9 Eyewitness News anchor Erica Bryant.
And I'm Blair Miller. We are proud to be the market leader.
And we value the relationships we have with our advertisers and partners.
Which is why we want to share with you the latest headlines, trends, and market conditions here in Charlotte to help you with your advertising strategies.
Now, let's hear from the expert.
Hi, I'm Matt Moldovan, one of the local sales managers here at CMG Charlotte. As we close out the second quarter of 2014, the market saw automotive spending up 18%. In grocery stores, Publix entry into the market led to increased spending by Harris Teeter, Food Lion, and Walmart. In fast food, Popeyes entered the market, which led to the fast food and general spend being more. Expansions at Carowinds and the new Charlotte Knight Stadium helped spending in the entertainment area pace up by 46%. On the political front, it will be an interesting third quarter. Tom Tillis has been named as Kay Hagan's opponent, so that race, along with the Supreme Court races, will take us over the $2.5 million spend mark in this market. The next political window is September 5th to November 4th. The energy industry in Charlotte is also looking healthy. 10 of the Charlotte-based companies, including Areva and Siemens, are currently hiring engineers. In real estate, Forbes ranked Charlotte number 3 in the best buy for housing in 2014 and has a 3-year growth forecast of 24%. Forbes says that housing in Charlotte is still undervalued by 15%. And the Charlotte Premium Outlets will open 100 new stores on July 31st in Steel Creek. That's up from the 90 stores originally planned. The outlets are projected to provide more than 900 jobs and generate $140 million annually in retail sales. And that's a look at the Charlotte market. For more information about the latest market conditions and for help with strategies to grow your business, please contact our marketing team at CMG Charlotte. Thanks so much for joining us.